Okay, this is tabula rasa again. I made a mistake. Oh, it happens a lot. Let's face it. But so I'm trying to learn how to use Blender, which my first video showed. I'm gonna put a link up in the card here, and I should have kept practicing. Should have kept with the tutorials on Blender every day and worked on it because I'm like going back to the videos because YouTube keeps track of all the videos you've watched so far. And I was like, okay, I've seen these other videos, so I should be fine. And when I jumped right into the next one that I was supposed to do like a week and a half ago, or once a day or something like that, uh, I I'll be honest, I was kind of lost. I didn't really know what to do because it's like, oh yeah, I didn't practice, and Blender, art stuff, music stuff, these are skills, and you don't get skills by looking at it one time. Duh, right? You get skills by practicing it, and just clicking on it once doesn't, it's not practice. No matter what people tell themselves, it's not practice, right? So here I am trying to do this, and I'm completely lost. I should have known better, to be honest. I really should have known better. I mean, when I was younger, played musical instruments, realized practice makes perfect, and we hear that. And here I am trying to learn these new skills, and I'm not practicing. I'm not practicing what I preach, and therefore, when I'm going through this tutorial, I'm just realizing, oh, crap, I got to start all over again from the beginning, and I am not looking forward to that. But, it is what it is, and, I should have been more motivated because this is really on me. I mean, I know I work a lot of people who try to get into these things when they have a 9 to 5 job or when they're going to school and trying to do this as a hobby. And you get done with school or your job after your 9 to 5, and you're mentally kind of worn out. It's draining. But I guess that's what you have to do because not only do I want to learn how to use Blender, but I also want to learn how to draw better too. One of those hidden skills that, I've been told through my education that you can learn these skills. So, yeah, I want to try and learn it, and here I am. Which means I got to, this is like a New Year's resolution, but starting 4 months after the new year began, uh, I got to make a schedule. So, what I'm planning to do now is after work, I am going to eat my dinner, do Blender for about 30 minutes to an hour, and then finish up the night do learning some drawing stuff. And hopefully within a couple days, not a couple days, that's within a couple weeks, I'll start to see improvement. I mean, I've seen those videos. I might give those a try where it's like, oh, look, this is me at day 1, and this is me at day 30. See how much I improved? And, just going through that kind of stuff. Because let's be honest, how they say it's like, oh, yeah, I did it on YouTube and I learned it all the time, but is it really that easy? I don't think so. At least, the motivation part isn't. Well, anyways, this has been Tabula Rasa. If you liked what you heard, hit that like bell, subscribe, ring the bell, and all that fun stuff. Helps out the channel. Leave a comment. Don't erase comments. First, I gotta get comments though. And thank you for watching.